This video covers auto-programmable controller replacement for the SlimRack Slide-Out system. The tools required to perform this procedure include a cordless drill and bits appropriate for the hardware found in your installation. Begin by swapping the harnesses from the original controller to its replacement, beginning with the power harness. Then motor 2, motor 1, and finally the switch harness. Remove the screws on the controller using your cordless drill. Mount the replacement controller to the pre-existing holes in the wall to complete the controller replacement procedure.